Anybody who visits Ayodhya now will tell you that Diwali has come early to the temple town. Colorful lights dot lanes and bylanes. There's an air of expectation and anticipation as locals and visitors alike look forward to Wednesday's ceremony.
The ancient religious and spiritual city of Ayodhya has been waiting for this moment a long time. The joys are visible among the people. Their dream of a grand and divine Ram temple at the Ram Lala will finally be a reality. The whole of Ayodhya filled with joy and anticipation. Jai Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Jai Ram. Every effort is being made to make Bhumi Pujan historic and memorable. Walls of houses, temples and other buildings around the temple complex are being painted. Artworks have also been carved into the walls at many places. Other walls that were broken have been repaired and beautified. It looks like Diwali night. Ayodhya decorated with colorful frills. The aura of Lord Ram's presence is being felt. The ancient city has been given a complete makeover. Ayodhya Junction is splendidly decorated. The junction is colored in yellow and red. An artwork of Ram Darbar has been painted in the middle of Ayodhya Junction. It was completed in 7 days by 4 painters. The Northern Railway had commissioned this painting. Ayodhya Junction will become one of the major junctions of India in the future.
आज करीब एक हफ्ते से ये भगवान श्री राम की जो फोटो बन रही है, आप देख रहे होंगे सामने राम दरबार इसको बनाया गया। इसमें कम से कम 4 लोग लगे थे और बहुत मेहनत से, बड़ी लगन से इसको बनाया गया है। कितने दिन लगे थे? एक हफ्ता लगा इसमें, 7 दिन लग गया। हाँ।
Water and soil from rivers across the country are also reaching Ayodhya. Soil and water from every corner of the country will be used in the construction of the Ram temple. Water of different rivers and soil of historical and religious places are reaching Ayodhya. So far, sacred soil from more than 1,500 places in the country has reached Ayodhya. And devotees have carried sacred water too from more than 2,000 places and more than 100 rivers of the country.
संपूर्ण भारत की पवित्र नदियों का जल और मिट्टी अयोध्या आए। समाज ने जिस उत्साह से इस विषय को पकड़ा, उसकी तो हमारे को कल्पना ही नहीं थी कभी। मैं गिनती भी नहीं कर सकता, 1500 स्थानों से आया कि 2000 स्थानों से जल आया। और देश की जितनी पवित्र नदियां किसी के भी ध्यान में आ सकती हैं, उन सब का जल आया है।
These clay pots have been well decorated. They will be taken to the place of Bhumi Pujan.
1000 से अधिक तीर्थ स्थलों के और 100 से अधिक नदियों के जल आ चुके हैं और 1000 तीर्थ स्थानों की मिट्टी आ चुकी है। कैलाश मानसरोवर से लेकर धनुषकोटी तक, कामाख्या से लेकर द्वारिका तक, पूरे भारत के नज़दीक के कार्यकर्ता जिनको अनुमति मिल गई अपने राज्यों से यहाँ आने की, उन्होंने स्वयं आकर के इन कलशों के रूप में, और जिनको नहीं मिली तो उन लोगों ने पार्सल, डाक, किसी भी माध्यम का उपयोग करके उपस्थिति अपनी परोक्ष तौर पर सुनिश्चित कराने का पूरा प्रयास किया है।
Records of the senders of these urns are also being kept, and thank you letters will also be sent to them later. After completion of the Bhumi Pujan, arrangements have been made for laddus with special ghee to be distributed. A large number of people are working to put all preparations in place. There is also a thick security blanket. Extensive arrangements have been made regarding security. Police and PSC jawans are everywhere. Barricading has been done at various places and monitoring is being done with the help of drones. Ayodhya is a historic place from ancient times. It is ready to write another chapter into its rich historical heritage. Your channel Doordarshan is ready to bring you comprehensive coverage of the program. With Ritu Verma and Ramendra in Ayodhya, Newsnight Desk, DD India.